Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about becoming a member of a plant society. I like lilies, so I became a member of the RHS Lily Group in 2013, and I would like to talk about a little bit about these benefits. So, Lilies and Related Plants, these publications, is the flagship publication of the RHS Lily Group. It's a not-for-profit organization. It's a biennial journal that is received by all current members. Its contents are varied and include botanical profiles covering different Lilium species and other genera currently or formerly included in the Liliaceae, scientific articles, field trip reports, growing trips from professionals and hobbyists, and reports on recent and current activities and initiatives of the group. Illustrated by beautiful photographs, drawings, and paintings, and with distribution maps and other graphics are presented in a clear and attractive layout. If you would like to join the RHS Lily Group and enjoy this publication as well as the many other benefits of becoming a member, you can follow the link in the description below. If you become a member in October, you will get the membership free for this year, and you will have a whole membership for the next year. So Lilies and Related Plants is a very nice publication. It has a clear layout of the contents and the officers of the RHS Lily Group. There are notes from the chairman usually, and some beautiful pictures, visits to other places like Turkey, illustrated with beautiful photographs. Some memorials, interesting articles. I really like reading these Lilies and Related Plants publication. It's next to my lamp to the bed, because before I go to sleep I like to read plant related articles. You can see that not only lilies are presented in this publication, that's why it's called Lilies and Related Plants. For example, there is a good article about nomenclatural changes in the genus Tulipa, tulips. These are all species tulips. But our main focus is on lilies, of course. Beautiful, beautiful images. Crown imperials, breeding of crown imperials. It's very interesting. Besides our biannual publication, we also host a bulb auction in the autumn, which is open for people living in Great Britain. And we also have a seed exchange which lists more than 100 taxa of lilies. And the main benefit is you can get species lily seeds which are not available elsewhere, not grown, not in a commerce. You can buy the seeds and sow them, and sometimes, for example in trumpet and Asiatic type lilies, you can get flowers in the second and third year usually. For some species it can take up to 6 to 8 years, but it's worth the wait because you can have these beautiful, very rare lilies. So If you become a member, you can also donate seeds of yours, and you can get early access to the seed exchange, Lomocharis Okomis. So when I usually get these publications, I read them from cover to cover. And this is very interesting, Galtonia. I recently learned that this plant was formerly called Ornithogalum saundersi, and it's now called Galtonia saundersi. And I can understand because when I see the plant and I see the seed pods, they are very similar to Galtonia. You can order the seeds of Lilium eupedis. It's a very rare lily, and it's grown by our member Mel Herbert. Luminita is working on lily species preservation in the United States. So you can read all lily related articles here. This is very interesting. So, if you like, you can join us now, or you can wait till October when you can get next year as membership and the remaining of the year free. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.